My name is Dr. Corinne Thomas from Aardvark Animal Hospital, and we are a full-service veterinary hospital. Our motto is compassionate veterinary care. We take the time to find out what's medically going on with the patient and not just throw medicine at them. One of the things we're very excited about today with the event was that we were able to show people the renovations that we've done to make the practice better and have their pets be comfortable. The renovations are so important to us right now because we're actually going for our fear-free certification. So a lot of the renovations are to keep animals separate from other animals that might stress them out. We've added a door to the 4th exam room, and that enables people, if they have sick animals, to come in and out with their sick animals and not come through the hospital. But also if there's very anxious and stressed dogs, we can also have them go in that outside entrance as well. We've added the Aardvark's logo sign on the front desk. Our past front desk was about half the size. It was very cramped, so we expanded to accommodate a 3rd receptionist. We have changed up the colors. We've made them very warm, welcoming, but also very clean. So the customers coming in are seeing that. We have expanded our boarding to accommodate exotic animals. We have expanded our treatment area to accommodate cats separate from dogs. We're really excited about it because it means that we can make it a much more comfortable environment for the clients to come into, the patients to come into, and they don't feel as scared or stressed.